Hi everyone. Sorry, I'm excited. I'm really excited. This is first time for me. Uh, Thank you being here.
Thank you for having me.
I can focus on your look so pretty.
Thank you. You too.
Um, who is Lingling and what is the DWF Labs and who are you?
You. So yeah, my name is Lingling. I'm the partner of DWF Labs and Falcon Finance. DWF Labs is the next generation investment firm and market maker. So we have venture capital side and liquid fund to support projects at different stage. We're also a market maker to provide liquidity for projects across different exchanges. And Falcon Finance is a newly launched stablecoin fully owned by DWF Labs. It's a multi-asset yield-bearing synthetic dollar. And we just crossed 170 million US dollar TVL in 2 months. We're going to have major updates in Token 24/9 next week, so stay tuned.
Thank you. Also, this is Beyza from Crypto Female blockchain community, also from DarkX Crypto Exchange. So to kick things off, first question for you from Crypto Female as a woman. As a woman in leadership role within one of the most active Web3 investment firms, what unique strengths do you think women bring to blockchain innovation?
I think, yeah, female leaders definitely can bring a lot of unique strengths into this space. First thing is definitely diverse perspective. In a woman, we have different life experience, different background, different perspective on everything that can lead to more well-run solutions. For example, in risk management, right? As a woman, we tend to have a more cautious approach in regards to risk, and we probably emphasize long-term vision, long-term gains over short-term gain. So this can create a more thorough due diligence policy and more balanced risk assessment to any investment opportunities. And also, I think as women with strong emotional intelligence, we can help build relationships with the team, with the founders, or with the community, which I believe is very important in Web3 space.
Thank you. That's really inspiring. Thank you for sharing again. Now to the next question for DWF Labs. DWF Labs has been actively shaping the future of the Web3 ecosystem, In your view, what are the biggest opportunities right now and what still holds people back?
Yeah, I think there's tons of exciting opportunities for everyone in this space. It really depends, who you want to work for, which area you want to do. You have, investment firm, market maker like us. Then you can also work for projects in different sectors, DeFi, GameFi, etc. And also, if you want to, you have, exciting ideas that you want to share with everyone, you can be an entrepreneur as well. Where I believe this space has a lot of resources to support founders. And in terms of what's been holding us back there are some unique challenges I believe women face in this space. First one is definitely, I believe, is gender bias. Gender bias, this is something I personally experienced at school at my first job in traditional finance, which I worked in very much male-dominated environment. Your working abilities were questioned, because of your gender. You're probably not given equal opportunities because of that. That does impact your mentality, I think, impact your confidence overall. Also, second, I believe, is networking barriers. As in Web3 space, this is still, I would say, more male-dominated overall. And in terms of networking, in terms of building connections, sometimes it can be a little bit daunting for women.
Oh, thank you for this insight. It's really valuable to hear your perspective. And our third question. I feel better now, I think. Mentorship and visibility are significant in emerging tech sectors, Can you share a personal story or experience where mentorship impacted your journey in crypto?
Yes, I joined crypto in 2019. I joined as a trader for OSL, Hong Kong first licensed exchange, and I was the only female trader in the team. So I did have concerns that I would face similar challenges I had in traditional finance. But however, my manager at the time, he was he, he ensured that I was given equal opportunities compared to my male team members, and I was also fairly compensated, like from salary to promotions, and I become the fastest promoted team members within the team. Even I joined later than everyone else. So this experience does give me a lot of confidence in this space.
Yeah. Thank you. Now, I would love to get a little more personal question for you. From your experience, how can VCs and accelerators create more inclusive funding environments to ensure diverse founders have a fair shot at scaling their ideas?
Yeah, I think this is very important to create inclusive environment. As a VC ourselves, we tend to have a more diverse team members, diverse investment committees. So you can have mixed background experience. Then, investment committee can make a more balanced decision when it comes to investment. And the second, I believe, as I mentioned, network barriers is one of the challenges female are facing in this space. I think VCs, accelerators can try to create, space just for women to connect, to share experience, to collaborate. Can also set up some mentorship program where connect women with some experienced entrepreneur and investors for them to network.
Okay, thank you for sharing. It's really inspiring again. Before we wrap up, I have one last question for you. If you could give one piece of advice, especially women, to who is entering this field.
The advice I would give probably is, don't be afraid of asking what you deserve, what you want to do. No matter it's a job promotion, salary increase, or just a job switch within a team. There's no harm in asking, right? And I think literally this is a low risk, high return strategy.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you
Thank
for
you very
your
much.